It is hot, so hot right now. Internets, and for all my internets speaking el español, los internetos. Internets, what's up? It's your boy Dallas PENN. Welcome back to another episode of God Boot God. Ooh, oh my goodness, it is so hot. Internets, it is hot, a fire out there. I am so crazy right now into my lifestyle swag. Like, my aspirations for this summer is to become not a yachtsman yet, but a kayaksman. I want to do some kayaking. I want to do some canoeing. And as I'm assembling elements of the lifestyle to give that look, to represent that a kayaksman look. Okay, to start this outfit architecture from the bottom, okay, you always start with your footwear, that's the foundation. I've chosen the Timberland 32026 3-eye boat shoe. If you could just understand what real leather feels like. I know a lot of sneakerheads now, you've grown up in an era where leather isn't even used on shoes anymore. Okay? It's not even used on your sneakers anymore. Like the LeBron 10, there's no leather on that shoe. It's like $300. The 32026, not that much. $125 retail. If you're here in New York City, hold tight for that sale, because once it goes to $109.99, no tax. Okay, let me show you something else that's so dope about these 3-eye boat shoes. They have something called 360 lacing. 360 lacing. Okay, you see these lace strings right here? Okay. They actually pull around the heel so that when you tighten the shoe up, you get a full wrap around your foot. Okay, from the forefoot to behind the heel. 360 lacing. Okay, let's check our insole. Okay, ACT insole. Okay, there you go. Yep, ACT insole, active comfort technology. Okay, nice sponge foam insole there. These boat shoes are almost meant for you to wear them without socks. Okay, I don't support the wearing of no socks. I'm not Dominican. Okay, if I was Dominican, I would definitely ride with no socks. But because I demand that socks be worn, okay. Timberland Earthkeeper no shows. Okay, and I got them in orange just because to match my inner lining. Okay, I'm sick like that with it. Sick. All right, so this summer is going to be the summer of me becoming a kayaksman. Okay, lots of kayaking going on, canoeing, and rocking my aspirational apparel to reflect that. All right, so we're gonna start with this. Timberland's 3-eye boat shoe, 32026 classic. Okay, you know how you know this shoe is classic? It still has 5 digits in the style code. Okay, it doesn't have 4 digits in an R. All right, it still has 5 digits. 32026 3-eye boat shoe. God Boot God.